Hey guys, it's your old pal Brian. Say hi, Antonio.
Hi. You don't feel lonely.
All right. Say hi, Eric.
Hi, Eric. Okay.
So what's my job?
Just if I get in trouble, answer my question.
All right.
Like, am I headed at me or away? Or
Gotcha.
hopefully I won't need you. But this, takes one thing out of the equation.
Taking off.
Taking off. It's only a 3-minute flight.
Really?
3.5.
Wow.
I'm working my way up.
What a beautiful aircraft. Absolutely beautiful. You should have good sight orientation. The sun's hitting it just right.
Yeah.
Really nice. Yeah, note to self, me getting out here at 7 o'clock in the morning really isn't my friend.
No. See the way it just kind of stays the way I point it?
Yeah.
That's the way it's having to fly.
Isn't it pretty? Yeah, I was thinking about,
My heart.
I'm going to talk to hopefully divide your attention.
Absolutely. Please
I was
do.
thinking about coming out here on my slow stick and then walking down the line and asking the guys if they didn't mind standing down while I flew my airplane. And then the old slow stick would go by.
Okay.
That's funny. Come on. Bask in
Yeah,
there.
dude, you got this. You got so much field here. Look at that. That's hands off, dude. I haven't
Awesome.
put in one input yet. Now I am.
Yeah, so I figured they'd get a kick out of it when they saw the old slow stick fly by. You know, they wouldn't ask me,
There are other people here that have them.
well, come on, bask in the joke. Because they come out here and he goes, well, I got a $4,000 plane I want to
Oh, I
fly. Do you
know,
mind
man.
standing down?
They freak me out when they pull out those big ass planes.
So my thought process would be, I walk down there and I go, hey, listen, do you mind standing down? I got a very expensive plane. And then the old slow stick would doodle by him.
You know who flew his out here? Marker.
Yeah, you told me he's
He
at the
was
haul
like,
ass
oh
one.
my God! It's not that he hauled ass. It's just the wind had no part in flying of his plane, and it was just awesome. I watched the guy do some stunts with it, literally in place because of the wind.
I wish I had a little bit more time. I need to retire, but I'd like to put ailerons on mine, and literally it's probably an hour job because all they're doing is, I swear to God, they hot glue the servos in place.
Okay.
It's nothing. It already has cutouts. You just take and cut out the ailerons, and you have ailerons. It'll beep, right? You got another minute.
There it is.
Absolutely beautiful.
Go around.
So you only get 3-minute flights out of that
Well,
beast?
no, I'm working my way up.
Oh, I gotcha.
Cycling the battery, I was told.
I gotcha.
Landing!
You just take your time and come around then. If you got plenty of juice.
Yeah, I can go another 4 or 5 minutes.
Oh, Lord, yes. If it ain't a perfect landing, then let's do. Lovely. Oh, it's wonderful.
At least it's down.
That's perfect. Fantastic.
It does take a lot of runway.
You
I
mu-
get nervous. I think I'm going to keep the receiver on it, though.
Do you want me to order you some Dubro wingtip skids for it like mine?
Actually, you're laughing.
See ya.
Got them at the house.
Because I'm really kind of bummed out that I lost mine. Damn things were awesome.
Oh, you took them when they came off?
No, one of them did. I checked the plane out pretty good before I brought it up, but I must have lost one in the grass.
It is so smooth, this plane. I think I hear what everybody's saying. It is going to be my favorite plane eventually.
Oh, sure. The more you fly it, right?
Yep. So yeah, I'm only getting like 4.5-minute flights, 3.5, 4 minutes. I was told that was my 6th flight. Once I hit 10, I can bump it up probably 7 or 8 minutes.
You're just trying to take care of that battery.
Yeah, they're telling me that I got to cycle the battery, and I never heard that before.
Oh, yes. Yes.
I heard that with other ones, not like
Oh yes, Lord, yes. What we do is all my batteries, they go through. I charge and store, charge
So
and
10 times. You shouldn't fly it more than 3 or 4 minutes.
I charge and store. When I get them brand new, they go through cycles.
See, what I charge mine to come back out tomorrow and fly them. So they're only charged overnight. But that's what I was told.
Yeah, they go through cycles.
So, this is the same as the